Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam often used to go to the cave of Hira. The name of that cave was Hira. Okay. He also used to go there and ponder and think over the reason why he was created. He always wondered why I am created. What is the purpose of my life? Why in this world human kills human? Why are they fighting? What is the purpose for which we are created? So he always used to ponder over these questions. He always used to think over these questions. One day, when the Prophet Muhammad was in the cave, an angel, Jibrail came and revealed few verses of the Quran. Revealed means he brought some information which was not previously known, which was not known to our Prophet beforehand. So he said to our Prophet, read in the name of your Lord. Our Prophet was shivering. Our Prophet was shivering. Shivering means we got shivers due to cold in winters. We shiver due to cold. So likewise, our Prophet was shivering with fear. What has happened to me? Because he haven't seen an angel before. So it was his first time, first revelation. The angel said, read. So after coming back to home, Hazrat Khadija Razallahu Ta'ala anha covered Prophet with a cloth. She covered him and the Prophet recovered a bit. Then he told the whole incident, the whole scenario to his wife. She said, don't worry about anything. Allah will not punish you because you are very honest. You help people who are in need. You will not be harmed in any way. Then she took Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to her cousin Warqa bin Nawfal. What was the name of her cousin? Warqa bin Nawfal. On hearing about this incident, he said, this is the same angel which came to Musa alayhi salam, and indeed he is a prophet. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has been recognized as the prophet by Warqa bin Nawfal because he knew that the same angel came to Musa alayhi salam also. Hazrat Khadija Razillahu Ta'ala anha accepted Islam and she said, I believe in Allah and you are his prophet. After accepting Islam, they faced many difficulties. But in spite of all difficulties, in spite means because of difficulties, she never left the prophet. So she was the source of strength to the prophet through her husband. She spent all her wealth, all her money just for the sake of Islam. She helped poor, she helped the people who are in need. She always comforted her husband. A time came when non-believers boycotted them. Boycott means they strongly disapproved them. Disapproved means they disliked them. They didn't talk to them. They didn't do business with them. They don't socialize with them. They boycott them. And because of this boycott, they had to stay out of Makkah for 3 years. A few days after the end of boycott, she became very ill, and on 11th of Ramzan, she died. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to respect his first wife Hazrat Khadija Razillahu Ta'ala anha very much. He always remembered her in his prayers. Hazrat Khadija's Razillahu Ta'ala anha's life is a source of inspiration. Inspiration means encouragement. It inspires us, it gives strength to us, to the believers, to us. She is an excellent example of how one give one's time, energy, wealth and life just for the sake of Islam. Hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.